it's Mrs. Yuen again, and today I'm coming to you with another brain break. Today's brain break is making silly sentences. So, what you're going to need is you're going to need some magazines, paper, scissors, and tape or glue. And what you do is you can go through different magazines and cut out different words that you want and make a silly sentence. And I'll show you what I've done with mine. Okay, so I've been spending time going through my magazines and I've cut out some words and I've already made my first silly sentence. Here is my first silly sentence. Can you read it? It says, "Do you have new green Spanish books?" That's my first sentence. Now I'm going to make my second sentence. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the words that I've cut out and I'm going to put them on my paper and I'm going to glue them and tape them in the order that I want. And here is my next silly sentence. It says, "Carol has 50,000 snacks in Texas." Whew, I don't know about you, but I would want to be with Carol right about now. That's a lot of snacks. And there you have it, a fun way that you can make your own silly sentences. You can be creative. You can make all sorts of sentences. You can ask questions like I did. Or if you're really wanting to challenge yourself, you can make your own story by cutting up words from magazines. I hope you have fun doing this activity, and if you do it, take a picture and send it to me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.